In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle to touch a given circle and also a given line at a given point. So basically, you need to draw the given circle. So this circle will touch a given circle and also a given line at a given point. So let's draw the given circle with center O. So basically, we have the given circle here with center O. So this is the given circle. Center O. Now, and the given line with the given point. So this is the given line. So assuming we want this circle to touch this line at a given point, let's say P here. This P. So I want to draw a circle that will touch this circle and this line at this point P. Now the next step is to draw a line perpendicular to AB from P. So this is AB, line AB. We draw a line perpendicular to it from P. All you need to do is you make use of your set squares. Just do that. You make use of your set square. So slide it till you get to P. Then you draw your perpendicular. Now the next step is basically the next step is basically to draw a line perpendicular to AB through the center of the circle O. So we also draw another line perpendicular to AB through the center O. So let's draw a line perpendicular to AB through the center. We still make use of the set square. Perpendicular through the center. There we go. Passes through the center and it is perpendicular. Now the next step is through the center of the circle. You draw a line EP, and this line EP will join the top of the circle. So that's point P. So this should be E. So this top E. Beside this is D. So this, let's join E to P. So joining E to P, here we go. The next step is F, which is the point where this line called the circumference of the circle. So let's call it F. So F is the point through which this line crosses the circumference. So you draw a line from O through F to touch the perpendicular PC at G. You draw a line from O through F to touch the perpendicular at G. So this perpendicular is touching it at G. Now with that center G and radius GP, you draw the required circle. So this is the required circle drawn with center G and radius GP. Just extend it and draw the required circle. You can see that this actually passes through it. So basically, here we go. So you draw the required circle. So this circle is a circle that touches a given line at a point and a given circle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.